a shocking report has come out about one country where a single WhatsApp message you send, a website you open, or any call you make, all is getting recorded not by any hacker but by their own government. So this country has borrowed China's playbook, that is China's Great Firewall, which is used to block free speech in China. And now this country has installed this same firewall in their web monitoring system 2.0. And not only China's Great Firewall, they are using technology from Germany, France, UAE, US and Canada. All have sold their technology for money so that this country can do surveillance on their own citizens. I'll tell you the name of the country, you'll be shocked, but first understand what will happen with this software. So if an ordinary citizen of this country posts one line against the army, their internet will slow down. If they talk about corruption, then the intelligence services of this country will trace their calls. And if one member from the family talks to any journalist, then the entire family will be questioned. And you know, all this money is paid by the taxpayers of that country because they don't know how this money is being used. This is what happens when the ordinary citizens blindly believe their army and their government. So basically, imagine that the citizens cannot raise voice so that the army men of this country and the government and their families can enjoy in foreign land and can invest their corrupted money in foreign lands. I am talking about Pakistan. Pakistan has actually made their own citizens digital slaves, and this report is a big opening about how they are selling the sovereignty of their nation to foreigners and they are renting it out to Chinese and to every other corporation in the world. And this is very disheartening. Every Pakistani should understand this, and other people of other nations should be thankful to their country that they don't use such services just to sell out their own people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.